They are the gardeners of the planet, the engineers of the savannah, and the only animals that truly seem to understand the meaning of a long-term memory. Elephants are massive, but their true power isn't in their tusks, it's in their hearts. Did you know elephants have specific names for each other? Or that they can feel a thunderstorm coming from 150 miles away? Today, we're looking at 10 facts that prove elephants are some of the most emotionally intelligent beings on Earth. Fact number 1. Elephants have a sixth sense. They communicate using infrasound. Sounds so low humans can't hear them. These sounds create vibrations in the ground that elephants hear through the sensitive pads of their feet and their leg bones. They can detect a stampede or a rainstorm from over 100 miles away. Recent 2024 and 2025 studies confirm something incredible. Elephants use unique vocalizations to call specific individuals. Unlike parrots who mimic sounds, elephants actually create abstract names for their family members. When a matriarch calls a specific name, only that elephant turns around to answer. A human has about 650 muscles in our entire body. An elephant's trunk has 150,000 muscle units. It's strong enough to uproot a tree, but sensitive enough to pick up a single blade of grass or even crack a peanut without crushing the seed inside. This isn't just a saying. An elephant's brain has a massive, highly dense temporal lobe, the area responsible for memory. They can remember the locations of water holes they haven't visited in 30 years and recognize individual humans or elephants they haven't seen for decades. Elephants are one of the few species that show a clear understanding of death. They have been observed holding funerals where they stand in silence over a deceased family member, gently touching the bones with their trunks. They've even been known to cover dead elephants, and sometimes humans, with leaves and dirt in a form of burial. If you think 9 months is a long time, imagine being pregnant for 22 months. That's nearly 2 years. Because their brains are so complex, baby elephants need that extra time in the womb to develop their high-level cognitive functions. Elephants are part of an elite club of animals that can pass the mirror test. If you put a mark on an elephant's forehead and show them a mirror, they will reach up with their trunk to touch the mark on themselves, proving they understand that the reflection is me. Elephant society is strictly matriarchal. The oldest, wisest female leads the herd. She is the living library of the group, holding all the knowledge of where to find food and water during droughts. The males, or bulls, usually live in bachelor pads or roam alone once they reach puberty. The world's largest land animal is terrified of bees. Because a bee can sting the sensitive inside of their trunk, elephants will run at the sound of a buzz. Farmers now use beehive fences or chili-soaked ropes to keep elephants away from crops without hurting them. It's a win-win for everyone. As of early 2026, conservationists are using new DNA sampling techniques from elephant dung to track populations in dense rainforests. This has revealed that Gabon is now home to nearly 95,000 forest elephants, a huge stronghold that gives us more hope than ever for the species' survival. From naming their babies to mourning their dead, elephants remind us that intelligence and empathy go hand in hand. Which of these facts touched you the most? Personally, the naming discovery still blows my mind. Drop a comment below, hit that like button to help the algorithm find more elephant lovers, and make sure to subscribe for more wildlife deep dives.